are a few things that I wanted to show you about the new Moodle before moving on to other things. I just wanted to show you a few basics. The first thing you need to do is when you go online, you need to go to the address newmoodle.kentisd.org, which you can see up here. You don't want to go to the old Moodle because your login information isn't going to work there. Since you've already created your classes, all you need to do is log in and use the information. Hopefully you remember. So after logging in, you're going to come to this screen. This screen tells you about the courses that you belong to. So of course, Technology Toolbox is mine. Flip your instructions, somehow I accidentally got it added onto that one. The first thing I wanted to show you, just if you have questions about Moodle, if you go to all courses up here on the top toolbar, there's a list of all the courses in Kent ISD. If you scroll down, there's actually some information from Grand Rapids Christian. As you see, there's a high school, there's the middle school, there's Rockford Christian, and there's also called something Grand Rapids Christian Schools Professional Development. There is a course on the ABCs of Moodle, so if you want to join this course, I don't think you should need a password because Judy got in without one, but if you click on it, it might ask you to join the course, enroll in the course. Go ahead. If not, I'll try to get you the passwords. But this was made by Jane from the high school, and she has been working on this for a very long time, getting information. A lot of the information is geared towards the old Moodle, but a lot of the new Moodle is the same, so you can find information. If you scroll down, you'll see all kinds of stuff, like key terms, facts, getting to know the basics right here. So if you have questions or want to research any more, if I'm not around, you can go here. It's got a lot of good information. If we go back, the main thing I wanted to show you was just getting documents into your Moodle if you wanted to get started. So I'm going to go to mine, which is Technology Toolbox. I haven't done a lot with it. If you notice, here are the topics, so these might be by unit. So this is obviously topic 1, I call it Google Drive. You can go topic 2, 3, 4, and so on. Depending on how you want to do this, I would say, you know, your topics might be your units for your class. You can't do anything here unless you scroll to the top, and in the upper right hand corner there's this Turn Editing On button. So if you click on it, it will actually allow you to start editing. You notice there's these icons, which you can edit the title without actually having to go into all the settings. You can move right. I'm not quite sure what that means yet. This allows you to move. The arrows allow you to move up and down throughout topics, so you can just shift and drag like so. So if I wanted to move this down to topic 2, I could. But I'm going to leave it up here. Then there's the settings button, or the update button, which allows you to update all kinds of things within your Moodle, or within your specific thing that you've added. It allows you to change the name, the description, if it's allowed to be visible, and so on. You have duplicate, so you can make copies of whatever you have added. You can delete. This allows you to hide it, so if you don't want it visible. No groups, I'm still working on what that means, and assign roles. So you can assign different roles. So just to kind of show you the updating, if you click on the little wheel, you'll notice that you have a name to whatever you're adding. You can add a description, so if you need to explain anything to the students. And there's all this information that you can fill in. And I haven't played around with all the settings because I haven't needed to yet. But I actually added some URLs. You can display names, descriptions, and what's nice is you can actually restrict access. So maybe you only want students to access something during certain time frames, like a test or a quiz, or if it's extra credit, you can set those settings here. From here you can save and return to the course. You can save and display the information and cancel. I didn't do anything, so I'm going to hit cancel. The other thing that's really nice is that now instead of having to upload documents, you can actually drag and drop them, which makes life a lot easier, so you don't have to wait for buttons all the time or for things to load. Whoops. So I'm going to take this PDF and I'm going to drag it. I can drag it to wherever I want to. And if you notice, there is a dotted box. You just drop the file over and it now is loaded. So now you can go in and change whatever you need to for that PDF. So you can go into your update, or if you want to change the title of the document, you can do that as well. So it's a really nice feature. So take a look at some of that information, play around with it. If you have questions, ask. But I just wanted to show you those basic things because I know we said we were going to do a little bit at a time.